Welcome back, Money Makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, I have an exciting new opportunity today, and this is called Airtasker, and you can make up to $16,000 in 1 month. Now, will you make that much? It all depends on how hard you work, and they have different tasks where you can complete, that's going to help someone else in need. So basically, the person that posts the tasks, they post the amount, what you have to do. If you qualify to do that, you can make an offer, and if they like that, then they will accept it, and then you can come on and do it. You can do remote. You can do things that's outside of the home, just all dependent on what you want to do. So these are all of the different tasks here. So just complete all of, if you want to complete this, painting lessons is $30. Type of manuscript that's about 12,000 words, then put it on flash drive. So don't know why they just paying when they got ChatGPT to do that, but oh well, if that's what they want, and it must be done before May June 10th. Type a printed manufacturing script consisting of 12,000 words, and then place it on the flash drive. So they saying basically this person, they're looking for the best candidate with the job due to my exceptional typing skills and meticulous attention to detail. With years of experience in document preparation and data entry, I can effectively produce a high quality manuscript. These are just he's just telling you these are offers that's made that's coming in. And hopefully, she chooses one soon. It's still time. So if that's something you want to do, get paid an easy $200, you can do that. And then they just have a lot of other ones here that you can American English conversion recording only audio is needed, $50, and you can make an offer and just tell them why you're the best candidate. And it's just gonna be a lot of people that is competing. But so you want to make sure they're gonna hire the best one for this particular job. So go ahead and try these out. Then you have this a similar outdoor furniture that they're willing to pay $100. Um, then you got the Assemble 2 patio chairs that's paying $100. Help me polish my Lothar Fegma design file. That's very low, so I would pass off that offer because that's too low. It's not worth doing all that work for just $7, in my opinion. You have Move a Treadmill Weight System, $750. That's crazy. Move Peloton Treadmill with pulleys that does leg lifts, best print. Yeah, these people, all these people are just saying what their qualifications is or what they have done to make them the best candidate. Because when money's involved, people will be coming for that. And there's just all these other ones that you can go through, and you have to obviously join the Tasker to sign in to actually accept these different offers if you want them, and then click the join Airtasker, and then say your email, password, and then confirm that you're not a robot, and then sign up. And you will hopefully get some offers that's in your neighborhood, but I'm not gonna take up too much of your time today. I just wanted to kind of show you this opportunity to let you know that it is legit and people have gotten paid. Let me know if this works for you, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya. Bye.